Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion to journal trades full guide. Open Notion, create a database called Trades, and add key properties: date, instrument, direction, size, entry, exit, P&L, and notes. Use templates for new entries to save time and enforce consistency. Tag trades by strategy and add status and probability fields. Sync mobile for on-the-go logging and export CSV for deeper analysis. Define each field clearly so data is comparable across trades and time. Use select and multi-select properties for tags like strategy and timeframe, number properties for size and P&L, and date for timestamps. Create a consistent notes template covering setup, risk, and rule triggers to capture decision context. Add formulas to compute profit percent and risk-reward automatically for quick insights and better journaling habits. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and hit like to help the channel grow. It really matters. Quick recommendation: I keep a little Trees black ice in my car after long trading sessions for a small mood boost and a fresher commute. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Build custom views to review trades by timeframe, instrument, or strategy, and save them as favorites for quick access. Use roll-ups and formulas to calculate win rate, average P&L, and max drawdown for each tag. Annotate charts or screenshots in the notes to highlight technical setups and mistakes. Schedule a weekly review ritual to update lessons learned and adjust your trading plan based on objective data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.